siya, love, rom-com. So, what are your thoughts about it? Kayo pa rin talaga yung pinag-prepare, pinagsasama.
Okay. Ikaw? I think, ako, I think a big consideration, a big reason why they considered me for this project is because of the success of Linlang. So to everyone who watched Linlang and supported Linlang, thank you. It's because of you guys that's it's the reason why I was even considered to be casted here. So thank you.
Ako naman, from Linlang, and then eto kami ulit. We're playing super duper very different role dito. Doon sa Linlang sobrang intense, heavy. Minsan nila kami makitang nakangiti sa isa't isa. So,
Makakatawa na tayo.
eto, pwede na kami makapagbigay ng maraming smiles and all, and giggles like that. So, sobrang complete opposite siya, which we're very thankful din na sinuportahan kami sa Linlang, and then we're doing this project ngayon sa View. So, sobrang happy and excited again to do a different dynamic.